Doors open and close every day. They keep us safe and warm, and they are manufactured here in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Welcome to Connier. Connier creates windows and doors that can be seen throughout the country. This factory in Bloomsburg specializes in door frames.
Connier is, one of the leading storefront manufacturers in all of the world. I deal with people in Canada, all the way out to California, down to Texas, Georgia, Florida, all over. I actually thoroughly enjoy working with people from all over the country.
This company employs roughly 400 people. So there's a lot of people at stake, a lot of people's jobs here. It helps promote the community.
People need to make a living. If we have manufacturing in the town of Bloomsburg, it's going to keep people around here.
You can see our product pretty much any commercial place, your schools, gas stations.
I would say to test the limits, to always try new things. I never thought I'd be in this position, and I think it's a really good fit, so you should always try new things for sure.
If you're looking for a solid career that is going to offer lots of advancement throughout your entire future, this is really where you want to be.
And there have been so many people that have impacted my life and continue to do so, and I really feel valued as an employee.
The process begins with large quantities of aluminum. The aluminum is extruded, stretched, and analyzed. Customers choose the paint and size to fit their storefront or business. Connier supplies these doors to places such as fast food chains, schools, and medical buildings. This manufacturer plays an extremely important role in this community and all across the USA, as it supports many of the families throughout our town and creates the doors and frames for all over the country.
What I like seeing, the doors and frames in the field, I think that's one of the cooler things that we see when you walk into a business and you look at the bottom of the door and you have the Connier logo. That's just something cool that's like, yeah, we made that here. So it's kind of rewarding in a sense.
In the end, Connier is the architect of our community.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.